Thank you for choosing SafeConnect, your go-to resource for safety and training. Respect the power. Respect yourself. Power tools are amazing, right? They can make tough jobs easier. But here's the thing. They demand respect. We're not talking about saying please and thank you to your drill, though it couldn't hurt. We're talking about understanding that power tools have the potential to cause serious injuries if not used correctly. Think of it like this. You wouldn't fly an airplane without knowing how to fly, would you? Same goes for power tools. You need to know how to handle them safely to avoid accidents. And trust me, nobody wants to end up in the emergency room because they weren't paying attention. Remember, power tools are designed to do one thing extremely well: generate power. That power can be a force for good, helping you build and create. But mishandled, that same force can turn against you. Always treat your tools with respect and use them responsibly. So before you fire up that saw or squeeze the trigger on that nail gun, take a moment to think about safety. Your health and well-being depend on it. Power tool maintenance and your safety. Keeping your power tools in tip-top shape isn't just about pride in your tools, it's about your safety. A well-maintained tool is a safe tool. Think about it. Would you trust a rusty, rickety ladder? Probably not. Start by keeping your tools clean. Dust, dirt, and grime can build up and cause moving parts to stick or malfunction. Next, check the power cords. Frayed or damaged cords are a major electrical hazard. Replace them immediately. Don't forget about lubrication. Moving parts need to be properly lubricated to work smoothly and safely. Be sure to follow manufacturer's instructions when lubricating power tools. Finally, store your tools properly in a dry, safe place. Moisture is the enemy of power tools, leading to rust and corrosion. By taking good care of your tools, you're not just extending their lifespan, you're creating a safer working environment for yourself. Suit up, gearing up for safety. Before you even think about picking up a power tool, remember this. Safety gear is not optional. It's your first line of defense against potential injuries. Think of it as suiting up for battle against accidents. First up, eye protection. Safety glasses or goggles are a must-have. They protect your eyes from flying debris, sparks, and dust. Next, hand protection. Work gloves provide a good grip and protect your hands from cuts, scrapes, and splinters. Don't forget about your ears. Power tools can be noisy, and prolonged exposure can damage your hearing. Wear earplugs or earmuffs to protect those eardrums. Depending on the job, you may also need a dust mask or respirator to protect your lungs from harmful dust particles. Remember, safety gear is not about looking cool, it's about staying safe. So gear up and work smart. Double-check before you double-click. Pre-use inspections. Before you start any job involving power tools, make it a habit to do a quick inspection. This simple step can prevent a world of trouble. First, check the power cord for any damage, like cuts or fraying. A damaged cord is a serious electrical hazard. Next, take a look at the tool itself. Are there any loose parts, cracks, or damage? If something seems off, don't use it. Get it repaired or replaced. Check that all guards and safety features are in place and working correctly. These are there for a reason: to protect you. Finally, make sure the work area is clear of clutter and potential hazards. A trip or stumble while using a power tool can have serious consequences. Remember, a few seconds of inspection can save you from days, weeks, or even months of pain and recovery. Steady as she goes, safe handling techniques. Using power tools safely is all about control. You need to be in charge of the tool at all times, not the other way around. One of the most important things is to maintain a firm grip. Power tools can generate a lot of torque, and you don't want the tool twisting or jerking in your hand. Next, make sure you have a stable stance. Don't overreach or work in an awkward position. Keep your balance and maintain a solid footing. Always make sure the tool is switched off and unplugged before making any adjustments or changing accessories. Don't take any chances. Finally, never carry a tool by the cord. That's just asking for trouble. Remember, safe handling techniques are crucial for preventing accidents and injuries. By staying in control, you're minimizing risks and ensuring a safer work environment. Water and electricity don't mix. Avoiding shocking situations. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination, and that's especially true when it comes to power tools. Never use power tools in wet or damp conditions. It's just not worth the risk. If you must work in a damp area, be sure to use a ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI. A GFCI is a safety device that will shut off the power if it senses a ground fault, protecting you from a potentially fatal shock. Keep your work area dry. If there's water on the floor, clean it up. If it's raining, move your work indoors, and always make sure your hands are dry before handling power tools. Remember, even a small amount of moisture can create a path for electricity to flow, putting you at risk. Play it safe and keep water and electricity separate. It's a simple rule that can save your life. Subscribe to our channel for more safety tips and stay safe.